Hi there everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Today's topic is about almonds and their health benefits. So, how often do you eat almonds? What are the benefits of eating almond? Let us discuss. To know everything about almonds, keep watching the video till the end. At the end I will reveal some of the interesting facts about almonds. So, keep watching. Almond is one of the most popular nuts throughout the world. Almonds are edible nuts. Almonds contain numerous health-promoting components that make them a very popular nut. They are a rich source of healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. The United States is the world's largest producer of almonds, but they are native to the Middle East. Almonds provides high amount of nutrients. These are portion size of 100 gram of almond provides. Energy, 579 kilocalorie. Protein, 21.15 gram. Total lipid, fat, 49.93 gram. Carbohydrate, 21.55 gram. Dietary fiber, 12.5 gram. Calcium, 269 milligrams. So, what are the health benefits of almonds? Number 1. Improved digestion. Almonds are a very good source of fiber. Almonds can promote the growth of healthy bacteria in your gut. This can help you in digestion and also can fight off illness. Number 2. Almonds may manage blood sugar levels. Almonds are low in carbs but high in dietary fiber, healthy fats, and protein. This makes almonds a very good choice for people with diabetes. Number 3. Almonds can help in weight management. Almonds are low in carbohydrates but high in fiber, healthful fats, and protein. Eating almonds can reduce hunger, thereby lowering your overall calorie intake. Number 4. Almonds may lower blood cholesterol levels. High levels of bad cholesterol in your blood, that is LDL, low-density lipoproteins, is a risk factor for heart disease. Some studies by researchers have shown that almonds effectively lower LDL. Other than lowering LDL levels in blood, almonds also protect LDL from oxidation. Number 5. Almonds can improve bone health. Almonds contain calcium, manganese, magnesium, vitamin K, copper, zinc, and protein, all of which can contribute to improving your bone health. Number 6. Almonds are good for skin. Almonds support glowing skin by providing your body a good source of vitamin Z and vitamin A. Number 7. Almonds can protect your cells from oxidative damage. Almonds are a rich source of antioxidants. Almonds contain large amounts of vitamin E, and vitamin E is fat-soluble antioxidant. These antioxidants can protect your cells from oxidative damage by building up in cell membranes in your body. Several studies, different researchers have linked lower rates of cancer, heart disease, and Alzheimer's disease with higher vitamin E intake. Number 8. Almonds may lower blood pressure. Almonds are a rich source of magnesium, which may help lowering blood pressure. Researchers found out that having a low magnesium level in your blood can put you at risk for high blood pressure. So, adding foods that are rich in magnesium such as almonds can protect you. Now, coming to some of the interesting facts about almonds. Number 1. Almond belongs to the Rosaceae family. Number 2. Binomial name of almond is Prunus dulcis. Number 3. Almonds have many different varieties. Number 4. Almonds cannot self-pollinate and they need bees to help them do so. Number 5. For pollination, almond growers rent bees, and one of the most costly issues for growers is renting bees. Number 6. The best climates for growth of almond trees are warm, dry summers and mild but wet winters. Number 7. No part of the almond goes to waste. Outer hulls of almonds aren't consumed by humans, but hulls are instead used as part of cattle feed. Number 8. About 80% of the world's supply of almonds come from California. So these were some facts about almonds. Did you like it? Let us know in the comment. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you, have a good day.